Deshaun Watson has reached a settlement with the NFL and will serve an 11-game unpaid suspension and pay a $5 million fine rather than risk missing his first season as quarterback of the Cleveland Browns following accusations of sexual misconduct. Watson was accused of sexual assault and harassment by 24 women while he played for the Houston Texans. The league had sought to ban him for at least 1 year for violating its personal conduct policy. As part of the settlement, Watson may return for the Browns game on December 4th in Houston.